Do you suffer from pain associated with tight or stiff muscles? Do you have lack of movement in any of your joints that prevent you from doing things that you would like to do or want to do, such as reaching up into a cupboard to get something, or down to put on your shoes, or perhaps when you're driving in reverse you can't twist to turn to look over your shoulder? Do you want to prevent injuries that could occur during sports or other activities? Well, then you should be doing flexibility exercises. Flexibility is one of the most forgotten components of fitness. Hi, Gwen Rose again. Today we're going to be talking about flexibility training, the third of the 4 components of fitness. Flexibility helps to maintain mobility by helping move joints through range of motion. It helps to decrease pain associated with tight muscles or stiff muscles and helps to protect arthritic joints from pain. Stretching, particularly circular stretching, can help relieve arthritic pain. Also, stretching can help improve posture. One of the biggest problems I see is people hunched over their phones, their computers, their desk, the sink, the bed, people hunched over their walker. And what happens is that by being hunched forward all the time, our chest muscles become very tight. And therefore, it is important to do flexibility exercises to stretch our chest and also to do strengthening exercises for our back. One of the best ways to do stretching exercises to strengthen our chest is by using the cables of the resistance chair exercise system. The cables will help bring your arms back, and if you hold it there for 10 to 60 seconds, you're getting an excellent chest stretch. And the reason why it's so important to improve our posture is that when we're hunched over all the time, it puts a lot of stress on our neck and our upper back and can cause a lot of pain. It also affects our center of gravity by having us forward. It makes us more prone to falling forward. The other reason that people do fall is lack of range of motion in their hips or their knees or their ankles. Lack of flexibility in the shoulder joint, whether it's caused by arthritis or an injury such as a rotator cuff injury, or any reason whatsoever, can be a problem for many reasons. One, it makes things like getting dressed very difficult. If you don't have full range of motion in your shoulder, then it's hard to reach things in a high shelf. Also, if you don't move your shoulder through complete range of motion, you are at risk of getting what is called a frozen shoulder. If you or anybody you know have ever had a frozen shoulder, then you know how painful it can be and how long it takes to rehab or moving freely without pain again. So therefore, flexibility exercises are very, very important to prevent and treat frozen shoulders and maintain range of motion in the shoulder joint. Now, the resistance chair does have a pulley that fits onto the back of the chair. It's called the Freedom Flex. There's a pulley and it also has resistance cables. It is a great accessory to the resistance chair to get that flexion and out to the sides, abduction, range of motion in the shoulders to prevent and treat frozen shoulders. So definitely give that a consideration if you have any shoulder stiffness, tight muscles due to arthritis or any previous injury or a current injury. So that's the Freedom Flex accessory to the resistance chair. So stretching is very important. However you do stretching, remember, add flexibility into your exercise routine just for the health of it. Thanks so much.